My name is Favor Chukukere. I'm a UX UI design instructor at University Africa, and I'm here to tell you why you should learn UX UI design. The UX UI design field is constantly evolving with new technologies, trends, and best practices emerging regularly. In addition, continuous learning can help designers hone their skills, identify gaps in their knowledge, and remain competitive in the job market. One of the significant benefits of embracing lifelong learning in UX UI design is the ability to stay relevant in a dynamic industry. Continuous changes in UX behavior and technology. By continuously learning, you can stay up to date with emerging user behaviors and new technologies. This allows you to create designs that are intuitive and user-friendly, increasing the chances of user adoption and satisfaction. By continuously developing your skills and expertise, you can enhance your prospects and earning potential. Embracing lifelong learning can also lead to personal and professional growth. By continuously learning and challenging yourself, you can develop new skills, gain new perspectives, and increase your confidence. Come and learn all of this at University Africa.